In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to GoHighLevel Calendars. We'll be working directly inside GoHighLevel, and I'll walk you through the process in a simple, practical way so you can set up an appointment that uses Zoom as the meeting location. To begin, go to GoHighLevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where your calendar is managed. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From that left side menu, click on Calendars. This will take you to the calendar view where you can see available dates and begin creating or managing appointments. Once you're here, select the date you want to work with. This is the day you want the appointment to be scheduled for. After the date is set, click directly on that date in the calendar. This opens the option to create a booking. From there, choose Book Appointment to start entering the appointment details. Next, select the correct calendar. This is important if you have multiple calendars in the same GoHighLevel account, since you'll want to make sure the meeting is being added to the right one. After that, add your appointment title. Try to make the title clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later. In the description field, add the Zoom appointment details. This helps give context to the meeting and can make it easier for everyone involved to understand what the appointment is for. Now select the team member who will be assigned to the appointment, then set the date and time for the meeting. Take a moment here to double check that the time is correct, especially if you manage bookings across different time zones. After that, choose the meeting location. This is the key part for the setup, because this is where you'll select Zoom as the location for the appointment. Once that's in place, select the contact for the booking. This is the person the appointment is being created for, and it ensures the meeting is properly attached to the right record in your system. Finally, click Book Appointment to confirm everything. Once the appointment is booked, GoHighLevel will save the event with Zoom as the meeting location, helping you keep your virtual meetings organized directly inside your calendar workflow. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to review the appointment details one last time to make sure the title, team member, time, contact, and meeting location are all correct. That's it. You've successfully set up a Zoom appointment in GoHighLevel Calendars.